the counters. Counters, close range. Like that. So those are the basic close range counters. So we also have like, we'll just say number one. So we got this arm. So from here, we got like, there's the twisting this arm. We got the hooking this arm. We got the elbow this arm. We got the stick pulling this arm. And then we got the figure four this arm. So those are like our principles of disarming. So, but before you go down, we'll do the simplest one, which is this one. So you do the counter first, striking this arm. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so now, in actuality, since your counter that's the one you're gonna hit, like that, to disarm it. But since we're here, you don't want to break your partner, use your forearm. Come here, switch your counter, grip, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow, 1. So remember, just control the stick, do your counter, and then just pull and push, one motion. Pull and push. But in actuality, it'll be the butt strike. Butt strike to do the disarm. Alright, let's try it please. So, striking disarms please.